Hello, my friends and family and fellow toy collectors, fellow gamers. Today is for the gamers in my community. Today we're looking at the MAYFLAsh Dolphin Bar for your computer so you can emulate the Wii and the Wii U. What comes inside of this? Well, you get the little stand. Let's rip that off. Oh yeah, that sounded nice. You get the sensor bar itself with more plastic on it. Now we're gonna take a quick look at this because it has a few things. It's got some indicator lights there. It's got a mode button that I'll get into more later. It's got a sync button. And of course it has a USB port. It looks like it's a 2.0 USB port. It could be a 3.0. I'll take a look in the manual and when we set it up, we'll find out more about it. And again, it comes with a little manual. Comes with some sticky stuff. So you can put this onto your TV. I'm gonna read the manual before doing it. I know, but I'm gonna try to have it upside down. Because I already have a sensor bar in there for my main Wii, but I kind of want it sitting like this. I don't know if this one can or not. Oh, it also has a switch that says top and bottom. We'll get into that more too. So let's go hook it up. And yeah, we're gonna test it out today. So there it is, the setup. So as you can see, the blue light is on, so I've turned it on. It is sitting upside down on the top TV. The bottom TV, as you can see, has a Wii sensor bar. And they're about the same length and everything. I think the Dolphin Bar is a little bit heavier than the actual Wii bar, but has more capabilities. Let's jump on the computer and I'll show you how to actually get it started on the Wii emulator. Okay, so to get started, you got it all plugged into the computer now. You have it turned on to the back. It has an on-off switch on the back. You grab your Wii remote. You hit the sync button on there. The light will blink like so. I'll show you in this corner right here. And you hit 1 and 2 together. And the little light will come on. Easy, simple. Nothing to it. Remember, you want mode 4 on there. There's 1 through 4. And you want mode 4 for the Wii capability with the Dolphin emulator. The Dolphin emulator looks like this. And I will leave a link in the description for the Dolphin EMU emulator website so you can download it. If you need help downloading it, leave comments. I'll make a short video about it. It's real simple, real easy to upload, real easy to do all this stuff. So after you got the Dolphin Bar all set up, all you gotta do is go to controls. And it has a little controller. Easy, right? You come down here to Wii remote and you click real Wii. You just turn them all into the real live Wii remotes. Because there's also emulation Wii remote. And if you do that, you can actually use one of these. It's not the same, but you can use one of these. You might want one of these anyways because the Dolphin emulator also does GameCube games. So you might want to keep one of those on hand anyways or make it into a Pro controller, either way. And then the next thing is, if this is not checked, this will not work. So like if I uncheck it and hit refresh, this will not work now. Now if I click it, it will work. So that's how you set it up. And anyways, let's just jump into a game real fast. And I will show you that it's actually working. Let's see here. You know what? I think Mario Kart's probably the best one to jump into. Because, one, you can see that there is a me character on there my son made. 2, it'll give you the ability to watch me actually play this. And that was very loud, I'm very sorry. So, we hit A. We are going to select new. But see, you can see that he has a me character on there. Isn't that cool? He has a me character. So we're going to select new. And see, every time I hit the button, it works. Okay, this is going to write a new file. We'll just choose a guess. I don't want to make a new character for this demonstration. We'll just choose a guess. And I'm gonna skid out of the picture a little bit because I'm gonna actually use it like this, and you can see on the screen how it works. So we're just gonna go time trial. Actually, no. Let's do Grand Prix. I'm just gonna do a track. I'm not gonna do everything. We're just gonna go 50 cc's. And let's just pick one. We're not gonna be picky about this. We're just gonna go. And yes, this is the Japanese version. That's one of the cool things about the emulator. You can choose the Japanese. European, whatever. You don't have to stick to your country. You know, that's one of the cool things about emulating the Wii, or any emulator in general. And it has a little glitch in the beginning. I don't know why it does that every time. And the Wii remote does vibrate, and that's pretty cool. So it gives you all the features of the Wii remote. Nunchuck, balance, board, anything you want, this Dolphin Bar does. As long as you have the actual stuff. So, okay, ready? Here we go. In real time, see? It's pretty flawless. I'm looking at... So, every button works on. I mean... I'm terrible because I'm trying to show you guys and play. But yeah, so you get the idea. Everything works. Let's grab a box and fire. Actually, I think the fire button's on the backside. See? So there you guys go. The Dolphin Bar. It looks like a charm. And there's a few other things about the Dolphin emulator that I can get into. If you guys want, I can go in depth with the Dolphin emulator, so you can see more about the emulator itself. But this was just about the Dolphin Bar, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys had everything you need to know about it, how to set it up. You can want me to go into more of the functionality of the Dolphin Bar, because you can actually control your computer with this if you wanted to, as a mouse, you know. So it's really up to you. Let me know what you want. If you want me to do more videos on the Dolphin Bar, Dolphin emulator, I'll be live streaming on this emulator now. I have a lot of games I want to live stream, like where to go? Ju-on's one of them. Yeah, you got Ju-on, you got the Calling, Need for Speed. Love Need for Speed. And there's a few other ones I like that I want to do too that's on GameCube. I haven't added the GameCube games yet. But again, if you want to see a video about how to add games to this, how it works, let me know, and we'll do all that for you. So, thanks for watching. I hope you like this content. If you do, please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.